today also here in Rucphen in northwestern Netherlands. .4:30 down, 1:30 to go here from group number 4. Silvio still in the front, Thomas in the 2 spot, Axel Linden in the 3, Oliver in the 4, Jörg Feeling in the 5, Sander Visser in the 6. And we lost Sander Visser in lap number 5 and Rainer Bosse in lap number 4. Just have to find Silvio car because normally he is with a Audi paint scheme, but not today. Yeah, he got another yellow and red paint scheme today, red front, yellow back. He's on his paint scheme today. Going down the main straight, coming around the sweeper, down to the teardrop, back again to the time loop, and coming into the center of the track. Now heading towards the big main straight and full powered out along main straight with about 6 seconds full throttle, with the guys coming up in a very high speed before they have to slam the brakes in to come around the sweeper. So now we got Thomas Dammer now clocking in by a 16.91 on a hot lap, 16.91, lap number 19. So he just found something here in the lap.